student of Polytechnic of Agricultural Development Bala.
In this video, we want to share information about cultivation of chili seed in greenhouse in Polbatan Malang, support by PTBC. And my name is Diki Waidi and my partner.
My name is Maria Junianti Konstantia Barreto.
My name is Ika Rahmawati.
A greenhouse is a frame or inflated structure covered with a transparent or translucent in which fruit, vegetables, or flower crops can be grown under the controlled climatic condition of at least a partially controlled environment. The following are some of the greenhouse benefits. First, crop cultivation can be carried out under controlled environment. Second, in greenhouse farming, high yielding is possible with low area of cultivation. Third, farming in greenhouse can provide local employment for education youth. And the last, greenhouse is the best place for evolution of new varieties and production of seeds. Want to know what is inside? Come on!
Chili plants or Capsicum annuum is a vegetable as well as a kitchen spicy, always present in every food dish. Chili from the family Solanaceae is very famous in Indonesia. Step by step for chili cultivation. First, land preparation for chili cultivation. The lands for cultivation of chili are brought 2 until 3 times and brought to a fine fields. The soil must be sterilized properly so that thus everything the plants are kept in check. Second, sand treatment and sowing in nurseries. Chili seeds are commonly grown in nurseries and the seedlings are transplanted. 3. Planting. Seeds that are 21 days old are transferred on the greenhouse.
The next step, treatment management. After we treatment the chili plants and about 60 days old, we will continue to the pollination step. Okay, now I want to demonstrate how to doing pollination step. 1. We pick up the male flowers that have bloom and there are pollen. And the second, we attach male flowers to female flowers with the intention of transferring pollen to female flowers. And after that, we pick one of female crown as a sign female flower has been pollinated. Okay, it's done. After the chili plants 120 days old, the new chili seeds can be harvested.